Welcome to C2 CRM development. In our tutorial, we will develop a retail sales management program. During the development process, we will step-by-step study the architecture of developing a business application and the components of C2 CRM for such applications. Our lessons will be divided into parts. 1. An overview of the application, outlining the business functions. 2. Application and assembly architecture. 3. Catalogs of the system for storing data of organizations, counterparties, currencies, etc. 4. Documents of the system for registering activities: receipt, sale, return of goods, delivery of cash proceeds, setting prices for goods. 5. System registers application objects storing data of document movements. 6. Modules for posting and recording. 7. Development of reports, such as stock balances at the point of sale, revenue. Our demo application is a desktop application designed for the automation of a retail point of sale. With the following features. 1. Receipt of goods from the central warehouse. 2. Retail sale of goods to individuals. 3. Return of previously sold goods. 4. Transfer of retail cash proceeds to the accounting department. 5. Reports on balances of goods and retail cash proceeds. When developing applications, the following programming languages and technologies are used. C#, LINQ, T-SQL. Multi-document Windows application. Development of the database structure in the C2 Designer program. Use of C2 CRM application components. Using WinForms Grapecity component. Our work with you requires the following software installed. Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. .NET Framework 4.8. Please note, it may require a separate installation. Microsoft SQL Server Express LocalDB. This tutorial uses LocalDB. Don't miss this component when installing Microsoft SQL Server Express. Grapecity WinForms UI controls. Thank you and see you in lessons.